Hi folks, got some new toys today. Nice day and Saturday for Oklahoma. This time of year, trying to keep my voice. I've been practicing trying to get my voice back. But bought this today. It's the rail to go on top of my marlin. Let's get a good look at it. Or better look at it. I'll tell you, you got to be real careful taking these little screws out if you got a Marlin 336. They're really small, and they come with the screws and also the tool to install the other ones, and they're perfect. This is made for the 336 by this company here, and if you can read pretty good, it's got the scope mount options. If I ever learn how to use this, but as well as putting that on this, it'll also get the my new leupold scope. Be careful not to strip these, use the right ones. And if you have that, it doesn't hurt to check these screws every once in a while. But I also wanted to mention, I was watching Inside Freedom's video the other day, and he talked about a really good deal on a set of Jags, and I bought it. Here it is. I mean, these are the brass. They won't bend. That's the biggest problem I have, is them bending. But they go from the tiny ones for your 22s all the way up to the big boys, the 45s, etc., 30 cals. And I liked them so much, I bought two. And because I'll put one in my bag to take with me and one here for my cleaning bench. But such a good deal. And Inside Freedom, thank you for turning me on to that. So anyway, a little blue Loctite. I'll have this on. Pick up the rings, I hope, this afternoon for it. But I'll let it sit a little bit. And I don't know why I lost my picture, but I did. I always let these things, you need to turn them upside down after you put any Loctite on these things, let it dry, because some guns, these holes go all the way through, and you don't want, if you put too much on here, it'll leak in here, and you really don't want those kind of problems. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my work. Get this done, get this set on top of it. It's absolutely matched for it. And from there, I'll put my scope on. See ya.